So in class on Friday, we were looking not only how to de-invert a triad or other chord that's been inverted, and we were only looking at triads, but we started talking about how to write an inverted triad. So this video is about that. How you, yes you, can invert a triad. So let's say, let's invert a minor triad. I suppose I should have said an A minor triad. First thing we need to do is write the actual A minor triad in root position. So here we've got our staff, and we're going to write an A minor triad. So we put A in the root, and then write thirds above. So we have A, C, and E. And remember, these triads, when they're in root position, they're always all, same thing for the seventh chords, they're always all space notes or all line notes. So here we got A, C, and E, and how through whatever method we know that this already is an A minor triad, okay? Because we've got a minor third from A to C, got a major third from C to E. So we figured that out, and we can just put that in parentheses, okay? So if this was on a quiz and I said you must just write the A minor triad in the first inversion, then you could do this on your scratch paper or figure it out in your head. Okay, so now what do? We take the bottom note and we put it on the top. So we take that bottom note, move it up an octave, and there we go. We move that A up there. And then the other two notes just stay in the same place that they were. Okay? And so instead of having A, C, and E, we have C, E, and A. Very good? Yes, I think so too. All right, let's say that we said we were going to do an E flat dominant seventh chord. That's a E flat triad with the minor seventh above the root, or it's also known as a major minor seventh chord. So we're going to do that in a first inversion. So we're going to write the E flat on the bottom, and we're going to write the generic thirds, and then we know that we want a major third from E flat to some kind of a G, and we know from looking at the piano keyboard or counting half steps or counting whole steps, however it is you like to do it, that E flat to G is a major third, so we don't have to put any accidental on that. Now we need a minor third from G to some kind of a B, and we know that G to B flat is a minor third. That's 3 half steps or 1.5 whole steps. And now we need another minor third from B flat to D something. And so if we think a step and a half, it would be B flat to C, and then another half step to D flat. If we counted half steps, it'd still come out as D flat. We could have also figured out what kind of D is a minor seventh above E flat, and it would have come out D flat as well. So that is our root position triad, and let's be visually clear about that, and we'll label those. So these are our two root position chords. And now we're just going to take that E flat and move it up to the top, keeping everything else the same. So there's the E flat on the top. And now just imagine these other three notes slid over. And we'll have a D flat, a B flat, a G, and an E flat. Okay? Pretty easy. Well, maybe it doesn't seem pretty easy. Maybe it seems a little bit confusing, but it really is pretty easy. As long as you first figured out the root position chord, move that top note to the, move that bottom note to the top, and there you have it. Now, you have an advantage in doing this that I don't have a jumbo size pencil. If you do this in pencil, let me do this in pencil once, and I'll show you. I have E flat, G, B flat, and D flat, like that. Okay, I think you can see that, right? You hold it up. Where is the little camera thing? Oh, there it is. All right, there you go. I can just erase the bottom note. Okay, there's the bottom note gone, gone, gone in 60 seconds. Well, not exactly 60 seconds. And then put it back in. So there you can see it right there. Okay? So in pencil, you can just write the thing in root position, move the top note up, erase the bottom note, and you're set. So in the homework, on the write yourself a first inversion triad, have fun with that. Okay?